I just don't get it. I mean, I'm shipping the best code of my life, I'm mentoring the juniors, I'm hitting every single deadline. And for what? My one-on-ones are all smiles and thumbs ups, but my career is just completely stalled. It feels like I'm doing everything right, but I'm just spinning my wheels.
Oh yeah, I know that feeling all too well. And look, you are definitely not alone in this. There's actually a name for it. It's this thing that a ton of high-achieving tech professionals run headfirst into. They call it the hidden ceiling.
The hidden ceiling. Wow, yeah, that nails it. It feels exactly like that. Like I'm on a climb and all the handholds just vanished. The reviews are great, but there's just zero real movement. Honestly, I feel completely undervalued.
That's the textbook symptom, right? You're getting exceeds expectations across the board, but your title hasn't budged in, 3 years? You've slammed into a wall where your technical skill, the very thing that got you this far, is no longer enough to get you any higher.
But here's the thing, that hidden ceiling, that's only half the problem now. What's really changed, especially in the last year or so, is that we're also getting squeezed from below. There's this new pressure. It's called the digital floor.
Yeah, think about it like this. The hidden ceiling is that invisible barrier of strategy, influence, and yeah, let's be real, corporate politics that you have to break through to get into leadership. But now, while you're trying to punch up through that ceiling, the floor is rising up fast. That's the digital floor. AI is getting so incredibly good at pure execution that being a brilliant coder is becoming table stakes. It's just the price of admission to the game now.
And listen, this isn't some far-off futuristic theory. I was looking at this Mercer data the other day, and it's absolutely wild. They're showing that the number of employees who are genuinely scared of being replaced by AI is about to jump from 28% this year to a staggering 40% in just 2 years. That's not a slow burn. That's a fire alarm. And get this, it's even more immediate than that. A new ResumeNow survey found that 60% of workers in the US expect AI to cause net job destruction this year. Not in 2030, right now. The ground is literally shifting beneath our feet.
Okay, but come on, I'm not just gonna roll over. I'll upskill, I'll learn the new AI tools faster than anybody. My manager likes me, she knows my value, she's gonna look out for me. I get it, I really do. But hope is not a strategy. We have to be brutally honest. Companies optimize for shareholders, not for employees. Look at how even Google got completely blinded by ChatGPT. Everyone is scrambling. Every single leader is being asked, how can you deliver more with a smaller payroll? Your boss has a boss who has a boss. You cannot just hope someone up that chain is going to protect you.
But there is a totally different way to attack this problem, a systems approach. And it was developed by an engineer for engineers. It's about learning to architect your career, not just coach it. This is the whole paradigm shift. You know what I mean? Most career coaching is just surface-level fluff. Let's tweak your resume, let's practice some interview questions. It's like putting a patch on a leaky pipe when the whole plumbing system is shot. Career architecting is about recoding the entire system. It's a deep structural redesign of how you operate and how you demonstrate your value.
And the guy who built this, he's one of us, Dr. Kirthi Roberts. He's a P.Eng, a professional engineer, and he's got a Ph.D. He spent 25 years in the trenches in multiple industries. This isn't some HR consultant. He's an engineer who debugs careers for a living.
Wait, so he's not just tweaking the engine, he's rebuilding the whole chassis?
Exactly.
Holy shit, so my technical skill alone, it isn't the asset I thought it was anymore. I'm literally getting squeezed from both ends.
You are. We all are. And that's exactly why you can't just react anymore. You need a blueprint. And Dr. Roberts has built one, a tangible 4-step engineered plan to navigate this whole new world.
And it's a logical flow, it'll make perfect sense to you. Step 1 is a clarity and AI vulnerability scan to run a full diagnostic on your career and see exactly where you're exposed. Step 2 is a narrative recode. That's all about translating your technical genius into the language of business impact that executives actually care about. Then step 3 is political engineering to actually navigate the messy human systems inside a company. And all of that drives you to step 4, market velocity, where you're positioned for the opportunities you actually want.
Okay, what's the catch? How much does it cost to get started with this scan? $497. That's it. For perspective, that's about the cost of one single day of being unemployed. 90 minutes with a PhD and a professional engineer who has seen the code and the layoffs.
And just think about what's packed into those 90 minutes. Dr. Roberts does a complete teardown of your LinkedIn and resume.
He maps which of your skills are being commoditized by AI right now, he finds the industry blind spots you can't see, and then he hands you a 2-page action blueprint. I'm talking exact lines to use in your next one-on-one, projects to pitch, the precise story you need to own. It's not a fee. He calls it ransom for your future, because waiting around and hoping is what really costs you.
And the ROI is just, it's insane. Look at this guy, Owen K., a senior data scientist in Silicon Valley. He got a hard no on a job. Using this system, he worked with Dr. Roberts to turn that rejection into a yes with a massive offer. Owen said the pay bump covered the fees many, many times over.
Or think about it as time compression. Haley B., a software engineer at Amazon, put it perfectly. She said, this gave her access to knowledge that would have taken her 10 or 20 years of painful trial and error to figure out on her own. You're basically buying back a decade of mistakes.
And this works all the way up the ladder. You have C-suite executives like Dr. Francis N., a chief product officer, calling Dr. Roberts his go-to expert for career moves. It's a proven system, top to bottom. Look, the window on this is closing. In this post-AI economy, every business is figuring out how to do more with smaller payrolls. If you are sitting there hoping your technical skills alone are going to save you, you are already falling behind. In this new world, trial and error is just an expensive way to fail.
Bloody hell, this isn't optional anymore, is it? This is a straight-up necessity. This is about survival.
That's exactly what this is. So it all boils down to one simple question. Is your career trajectory going to be left to chance, or is it going to be by design? Are you going to keep hoping, or are you going to start engineering?
The only smart move here is to act. Book the Career Clarity and AI Resiliency Scan with Dr. Roberts. It is the logical first step to taking back control of your future. Don't gamble with your livelihood. Go to clarity.kirthiroberts.com.